Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Value Education class. Like I said earlier, we have completed two lessons. In the previous class, I had mentioned the answer to lesson 1. Today, I will answer lesson 2. First activity. Read the biographies of some great personalities of your choice to get inspiration from their lives. As you come to know in this lesson, some great personalities like Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa, William Shakespeare, Isaac Newton, Thomas Edison. Likewise, read any biography of these great personalities to get inspiration from their lives. 2. You can judge your personality yourself by answering the following questions in yes or no. The answer to these questions reflects your personality. That is why do not expect the answers from your teachers, parents, or elders. Do these questions to yourself and write what comes to mind. 1. Do you behave with your family members politely? Do you hurt the sentiments of others? Do you laugh at people when they are in difficulty? Do you praise when somebody brings gift for you? Do you speak ill about others? Write yes or no for these questions. What comes to your mind? Then 3. Unlist your bad habits and try to get rid of them. I want to tell you a short story about bad habits and how to control them. Controlling temper. There was once a young boy who had problem controlling his temper. When he became angry, he would just say anything that come to his mind and hurt people. So his father gave him a bag of nails and hammer and said, every time you lost your temper or you got angry, hammer one nail into the fence in our backyard. On the first day, the boy hammered 37 nails into that fence. That means he lost his temper that much times in that day. Then the boy gradually began to control his temper over the next few weeks, and number of nails he was hammering into the fence slowly decreased. He discovered it was easier to control his temper than to hammer those nails into the fence. Finally, the day came when the boy did not lose his temper at all. He told his father the news, and his father asked him to remove one nail each day that he manages not to lose his temper. The days passed, and the young boy was finally able to tell his father that all the nails were gone. The father took his son by the hand and led him to the fence. You have done well, my son, but look at the holes in the fence. The fence is never going to be the same even after repainting. Likewise, when you say mean things in anger, you will leave a scar in the person's mind, as the nails did to the fence. Anger is a dangerous weapon like a knife. When you put a knife in a man and draw it out, the wound heals, but the scar remains. Moral of the story: control your anger and don't say mean things to people in the heat of the moment that you may later regret. Some things in life you are unable to take back. So, children, never say any bad words to anybody in anger, because once you make a mistake, no matter how much you apologize or how many times you say sorry, it is not the same as before. Okay? Now come to the lesson exercise. Write true or false. 1. Personality represents the quality and traits of a person. The answer is true. Number 2. The guiding principles of Mahatma Gandhi make him like any other person. The answer is false. Number 3. Only good traits do not make a man unique. False. 4. We stand out from others by our character and behavior. True. 5. Most of us are not law avoiding people. False. Next, fill in the blanks. 1. A person is known by his personality. 2. William Shakespeare was a world famous dramatist. 3. Those who are friendly and cooperative are always willing to help others. 4. Personality is a set of traits inherited and learned. 5. The children who do not get good environment become perverted. Now 3. Answer the questions. As I said in the previous class, all the answers to these questions are in the lesson. You read carefully, then you get all the answers in the lesson only. But I'll give you a hint how to write the answers. Number 1. What is personality? What are its characteristics? Personality is made up of thoughts, feelings, and behavior. The qualities, the traits, and behavior are the characteristics of personality. Number 2. Why do we say that Mahatma Gandhi was a great personality? We say Mahatma Gandhi was a great personality for his guiding principles like truth,
Question number
nonviolence,
3.
simplicity, and honesty. What is the role of education in the development of personality? Education plays a vital role in the development of personality. Education aims to develop good traits and values, which helps us a lot to develop the values and make our life happy and worth living. Number 4. What is the effect of environment on the formation of one's character? Environment impacts a lot on the formation of one's character. One who do not get good environment becomes perverted. A congenial atmosphere helps to develop the traits in a healthy and positive manner. That is the end of lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.